In this video, I'll be sharing how I made an inexpensive giant sensory bag. This is such a fun and beneficial activity for little ones, and it's so easy to make. Most of the materials that I'm using, I was able to find at the dollar store. Make sure to find a large, durable space saver bag for this. I'm using a 48 by 35 inch Ziploc. The first thing that you do is flip the bag inside out. I used the plastic table cover as the background, but feel free to explore with other options. I secured the cover with colorful duct tape. I then flip the bag right side in. I placed a variety of fun and colorful shapes inside the bag. Now it's time for the water. You only need to fill about a quarter of the bag. You can use food coloring for a fun effect. Seal it up and it's done. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.